Hi, Michael.
I'm graduating now.
Yay.
Okay, that's all we know. Okay. All right, back in the order.
Okay, is anybody not ready? Is anybody not ready? Okay, we're good to go. Bye, Michael. We love you. We're at Indian Writings. This is an abysmal example of a pack line, mostly because people had to go in their packs and stuff. First thing this morning, we got ready in an hour and 6 minutes, which was good enough to get Michael's Snapchat. And then we said bye to Michael and played some songs. And then we saw some deer. And then we ate breakfast and only had half a bagel. It was pretty terrible. Only half a bagel. And then, yeah, here's our abysmal pack line. For Indian Writings, we'll be back here on day 11. So we just filled up some water. We didn't do any of the program, though. We just had kind of a shady lunch. Now we're on our way to Ponil. It's going to be an hour and a half to Hart Peak, and then 2.5 hours total to Ponil, which is kind of like the Bobian of the north. A lot of people go through it. Or Cimarroncillo, probably, for that matter. Looking forward to the showers tonight. And it was nice hiking before the sun was up this morning, but it's going to be kind of a hot hike over Hart Peak. So yeah, expect a more extensive review of this camp when we're back later, but until then, Ponil. So, huh?
This is Ponil 2002.
Oh, good to know. Ponil 2002.
This used to be Ponil right here?
No, like called Ponil Fire. Good to know. Maybe look something up on Wikipedia or like New Mexico history when I get back. But it's interesting, even if it's been 17 years and all that's here is like, I think it's called scrub oak. Maybe I do that when I get home to make sure. But yeah, that makes more sense now because didn't think the Ute Park fire got in this far. But just interesting how nature comes back. But maybe slowly. All right, ready? I'm gonna yell again. Hello!
That's epic.
Yeah.
Yo, everyone make sure you're... Christian, can you take one step to your left?
Oh, my voice is gonna go, but I'm gonna do it one more time. Philmont! Oh, I'll stop now. This segment's going to be called Plants of Philmont. Here we think it looks like the aloe plant. I want to say yucca plant. I'm not really sure. We'll look it up when I get home. That's what I feel like this one is called. The other ones I'm pretty sure about though. Here's another one. Also, we have a lot of these around. This is a small one. I've seen a lot bigger ones, like a prickly pear cactus. Pretty sure that's what it is. You saw some ones that had like buds on them to flower before. I think there's some other smaller ones over here. Here's a giant like aloe like plant. Oh, here's another cactus. Again, our super small one. But yes, and I can think of at least. Oh, here's a bigger cactus. Right here. See, there's like these flowers on the top. That should definitely be an identifying feature. I also want to try and find some lamb's ear, but I don't know if that necessarily grows this tall. There's been a lot of cactus in the north. We didn't see any cactus till the last day in the south last time. But look, I didn't even have to walk very far. Also, by the way, check out this view. We started in that canyon down there. You can actually see the trail. The camera probably can't see it. And then up at the top here. Say hi to the vlog. Forgot to mention we're at Hart Peak right now. This is probably one of the best views I've seen, besides Tooth of Time, which is there. And then Schaefer's Peak, Black Mountain again. Phillips can just see it. Little Costilla, Baldy. That's a couple days from now, right there, Baldy. Yeah, it's raining right now. And you can see that my pack cover is on, but other people's are not because we had them on, then we took them off, and then we put them back on again, or I put it back on again. Apparently some people thought that was a joke.
What?
Matt, this is the first time it's rained on us on the trail. Definitely not the intended use, but works really well. Possibly not the intended use, but so convenient. It's amazing. Definitely the intended use. Today, the highlight of lunch was a pepperoni stick. Tell them what you're about to do.
I am about to put 32 ounces of Gatorade powder into a 16-ounce bottle. The powder might actually overflow a little bit.
I don't want that. You have to take a little bit. No, I'm this. A little bit to pay it. I don't want that.
Yes, I see.
That's very red.
Very red. What does it taste like?
It actually tastes like regular Gatorade. Like
Oh.
full-fledged Gatorade.
What a letdown.
Instead of our regular...
The GoPro's gonna die while I'm recording. But we're at the commissary and I got a peach, and this is the best day ever. This is amazing. The commissaries are the best. This is gonna taste like the best peach of my life. Truck wagon dinner. Hi, Christian. Hi. Yeah, so that's the way down. This is the trail to the campsite over there. Chuck wagon right there, and then showers there. I'm gonna be walking along this road down there, or I was there before actually, but it's just crazy. It's like a sheer drop. I mean, I get that we're in a canyon, but it's just crazy. What about the? Could I just one root beer, please? Somebody already did that. Thank you. At the here on the trail, Churchill School Post Office. The cantina's over there, so that's where I got this. Sponsored by Pepsi. It does taste weird to have something cold and carbonated after like 5 days. That's about it for today. There's going to be a cantina show. So yeah, that wraps up Walk 6, Trail Day, Philmont, Trail Day.
There's a limited number of things you can put on the ground, so it really doesn't help you. It's not like you can load them up.
Yeah. Thanks for watching. Beer's very good. Definitely get the root beer.